The world is worried that 2D animation channels won't get monetized. But before we jump to conclusions, take a look at this channel. If you check its earnings, you'll see that it's currently generating around $1,200 per month. That's a significant income for a YouTube creator, and chances are the creator has built multiple channels using the same strategy. Now let's focus on the most important part. This is a fully monetized 2D animation channel. As you can see, the category is education, and the majority of the audience comes from the United States. In other words, the channel is attracting high-value US traffic while generating consistent revenue. What's even more impressive is that the channel has uploaded only 37 videos and has already gained around 227K subscribers. Just think about that. With only 37 uploads, it has built remarkable authority and growth. You can also see the monthly views and subscriber gains right in front of you. The growth rate is outstanding. If we analyze the videos themselves, one thing immediately stands out. Some of the channel's most popular videos have crossed 4 million views. And when you study the content carefully, you'll notice one consistent factor across every upload: the thumbnails. Yes, the thumbnails. Their consistency reveals something very important. The creator focuses on producing highly unique content. But that's not all. I'm also going to introduce a powerful USA-based proxy solution that can help you upload content through a US network environment, which can potentially strengthen your overall channel growth strategy. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open either ChatGPT or Gemini. Today, I'll be using Gemini. Many people think they need complicated prompts to create great content, but don't worry, because I've already prepared everything for you. You'll find a Google Docs link in the description containing a complete master prompt. Everything is already included inside it, including topic ideas, content structures, workflow steps, and much more. You don't need to create anything yourself. Simply open the document, copy the entire prompt, go to Gemini, paste it, and click Generate. Once you do that, Gemini will provide 10 content ideas. From those ideas, choose the one that stands out the most. For example, idea number 5 looked like the strongest option to me. I simply copied that idea, pasted it back into Gemini, and clicked Generate again. Now watch what happens. Gemini creates the complete video framework for you. First, it generates a title. Then, it creates character designs, character names, visual styles, appearance details, and even character goals. After that, it provides scene descriptions, image generation prompts, animation prompts, and complete voiceovers. Everything is ready. Now comes the most important question. Which tool should we use for generation? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm introducing an all-in-one AI platform that can handle the entire process. The tool is called GeeLark AI. This is one of the most powerful AI tools available right now. Simply open the website using the link in the description. Once you're there, you'll see the download option. Download the application and install it on your PC. The installation process is straightforward and should be familiar to everyone. After installation, open the software and log into your account. Logging in is important because it unlocks all available features. You'll also notice a proxy section, which we'll use later for content uploading. But first, let's focus on image and video generation. As you can see, GeeLark AI features a professional-grade interface. On the left side, you'll find multiple sections, including applications and automation tools. This alone shows that the platform is designed for creators who want to build and manage content efficiently. Now click on the AG section. As soon as you enter, you'll see options such as image to video, text to video, and image generator. Since every great animation starts with visuals, we'll begin with the image generator. First, head over to the image generation section inside GeeLark AI. Once you're there, open the AI models menu. You'll find several powerful models available. For this workflow, I recommend selecting Nano Banana Pro because it delivers excellent results for 2D animation projects. Next, go back to Gemini and copy the image prompt for Scene 1. Copy the complete image generation prompt, return to GeeLark AI and paste it into the prompt box. Then choose your preferred resolution. You can select either 2K or 4K depending on your needs. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within about 30 to 40 seconds, your first image will be ready. As you can see, the image quality is highly professional, the details are sharp, and the overall visual style looks premium. Simply download the image and save it to your computer. Then upload it as a reference image, and repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Copy the prompt for Scene 2, paste it into the prompt box, and generate. Then continue with Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, and Scene 8. One by one, all of your images will be generated. The quality remains consistent across every scene, making the entire project look professional and cohesive. Once all the images are ready, download and save them. Now it's time for video generation. Open the image to video section inside GeeLark AI. Here you'll find multiple video models, including Seedance 2, Kling, and other advanced options. Start by uploading your first generated image. Then go back to Gemini. Copy the animation prompt for Scene 1 and paste it into the animation prompt box. For the model selection, I recommend using Seedance 2 because it consistently produces smooth and professional animation results. Set the duration to 8 seconds, or increase it to 15 seconds if required. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio and make sure sound generation is enabled so the system can automatically create background audio for your scenes. Now click Generate. The video creation process will begin immediately. Within a minute or two, your first animated scene will be ready. As you can see, the motion looks smooth, the quality is excellent, and the overall presentation feels highly professional. Download the generated video and repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. Upload the second image, paste the second animation prompt, and generate. Then continue with Scene 3, Scene 4, and every remaining scene until all videos are complete. One by one, all your scenes will be generated. Reviewing the results, the first video looks fantastic. The second video includes synchronized sound effects. The third scene looks great, and the fourth scene is equally impressive. Continue until all 8 scenes are completed, then download and save every video file. Next comes voiceover generation. Go back to Gemini and simply type, "Please give me a voiceover in paragraph form." Gemini will instantly generate a complete voiceover script. Copy the voiceover text and open your preferred AI voice generation platform, such as a text-to-speech tool or 11 Labs. Paste the script into the text box, select a storytelling voice that matches your content style, and click Generate. Within moments, your professional AI voiceover will be ready for use. Now let's move to the final stage, video editing. Import all your generated videos into your video editor. Then import the voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline first and arrange the video scenes according to the narration. Adjust each clip so the visuals perfectly match the spoken content. Once everything is aligned, add transitions between scenes. Simple black frame transitions work very well for this type of content. Next, open the text section and enable auto captions. Click Generate and your captions will be created automatically. After that, visit the template section and select a professional caption style. At this point, your video should look polished and complete. Since sound generation was enabled during video creation, you may not even need additional background music. Finally, export the project in 4K resolution. Now comes the uploading process. Return to GeeLark AI and open your profile section. As you can see, a cloud phone profile is already available, and you can create Android 12, Android 15, Android 16, or any other supported version. Click Start. Then open the proxy configuration settings. Choose your preferred proxy type and configure the settings according to your requirements. You can also adjust speed and advanced options before clicking OK. Once configured, the browser extension will download automatically and the cloud phone environment will begin loading. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the virtual device will be ready. The next step is connecting your account. You can sign in through the Play Store or simply open Chrome. Log into the Google account associated with your YouTube channel, open YouTube, and sign into your channel. Uploading is now simple. Click the upload button, select your completed video, and begin the upload process exactly as you would on a regular computer. Once the upload is complete, apply your SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. Stay consistent with your uploads, because consistency is one of the biggest factors behind long-term YouTube growth. Over time, you'll start seeing more impressions, greater reach, and stronger channel performance. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. GeeLark AI offers much more than just image generation and video generation. It also includes proxy solutions, proxy groups, AI chat features, prompt generation tools, built-in applications, automation features, and direct integrations. You'll find tools for YouTube Shorts, TikTok content, workflow automation, and additional creator resources. The platform offers multiple pricing plans, including free, basic, pro, and custom options, allowing you to choose the plan that best fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You'll find the GeeLark AI link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. With image generation, video generation, proxy tools, automation features, and many other powerful capabilities, GeeLark AI provides nearly everything a modern content creator needs in one platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.